Alright, early afternoon is here, and it's hump day, middle of the week as well. March 5th, 2025, CN Hayes here, 1317, coming to you from West Ladysmith, with a video lined up for you at milepost 128.8 along CN's Barron submain. 519 is back, DSIX 11525 is in tow there. Only just a sand load brought back. Not bad at all. And as you can see, the new heavy wet snowfall that happened during the overnight and most of this morning came down. And right now I got a power outage in my area as power lines are down from the weighted tree branches that have likely fell over to knock the lines down, as it's already been at least about not quite 20 minutes now, well, not quite 10 minutes now since it's been out, because I know I went out 3 times prior to that. It didn't last as long, but it's currently ongoing at this time, but thankfully I'm okay. Other than that, that is going to do it for today's L519 of the 5th, and we'll do it for the SD60 Duo of the 5466 and the 5426. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. As the remainder of Winter Storm Lola continues to track northeast away from Lake Michigan, over northern portions of lower Michigan, and then we'll head into southeastern Canada and the province of Ontario and go on from there. And as a winter weather advisory remains in effect until 3 p.m. this afternoon, since being issued since 11:13 after canceling the winter storm warning. Thanks for watching, everyone. You have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.